Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasir, and today we are going to unbox the product that we have just got. Its name is VAVA, and it's a Bluetooth speaker with pretty much every feature that you will use. Okay, this device has got 5 features in it. It has got wireless charging to all key enabled devices. It has got dual alarm clock, stereo sound, FM radio and soft fabric finish. Now, as you can see here, inside the box there is a speaker, adapter that is 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and one user guide. Let's see what we get in this box. The product is inside, so there is a small foam that covers this product. So let's take it out. This looks nice and clean. This has got a big screen, and it has got the VAVA branding, so plenty of buttons. So let's see what we get inside the box. It's a foam that protects this product, and we have got a box with it, so I guess there will be power cable and stuff like that. Yes, there is a power cord adapter, and it has also got a small booklet, so it has got many instructions on how to use this product. So I guess we should keep these things aside and let's see the actual product that we have. So this is the speaker that we have. And you can see DC in port is there, and there is a USB type A port is there, and along with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack is there. So buttons are tactile and clicky, so that's a good sign. So now we would connect this device and see. So as you can see, we have to connect it like this. The power cord is in. Yes, it boots up. So you can use this as a speaker, or you can also use this as a clock, an alarm clock. So remember, this is just an unboxing, and I will be reviewing this product, and I'll be posting a review very soon. So in order to see that, or in order to watch that, please subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell icon. So that's pretty much it, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.